Vortex Mountain Pass Tripod Review. Compact, rugged, and unstoppable. Ever felt like your tripod is fighting you instead of helping you? 1 minute it's steady, the next it's trembling in the wind. You're not alone. Many photographers and hunters know that sinking feeling when stability vanishes just as the perfect shot appears. Ever felt that frustration? Drop a yes below if your gear's let you down before. Deadlines, missed shots, shaky footage, sound familiar? The stress of capturing that perfect moment while balancing gear that feels heavier than your ambition can drain your passion fast. But imagine if there was a way to take control of your setup, cut the chaos, and stay steady, focused, and free, all without adding more weight or stress. Meet the Vortex Optics Mountain Pass Tripod Kit, the all-terrain companion designed for those who refuse to compromise between packability and performance. Crafted from durable aluminum, it holds up to 22 pounds of serious gear, spotting scopes, telephoto lenses, or binoculars, without breaking a sweat. Its two-way pan head glides smoothly, letting you track wildlife or frame horizons with cinematic precision. One outdoor photographer called it buttery smooth, even in coastal winds. The Arca-Swiss compatible head gives you flexibility to swap between optics and camera setups in seconds, so you'll never miss that fleeting eagle's flight or mountain glow again. Here's a mini win. One hunter used it to steady his 10-pound spotting scope on rocky terrain and claimed it was the first time my optics didn't betray me. Keep watching till the end. There's a bonus tip on how to unlock its hidden stability mode. The Mountain Pass isn't just a tripod. It's your steady partner in unpredictable conditions. Lightweight enough for long treks, strong enough to support your heaviest optics, it blends rugged stability with travel-ready design. Photographers love the quick flip locks for fast setup, and hunters swear by the convertible monopod leg, perfect for those grabbing glass moments on the move. Experts can't stop praising it. One industry analyst called it a masterstroke of field engineering, while an influencer who tests gear in extreme climates said, "It's rock solid from desert heat to coastal spray." Even everyday users rave about how it still feels new after 2 seasons in the wild. That legendary Vortex warranty seals the deal. No fine print, no excuses. Damage it, drop it, or dunk it in mud. They'll fix or replace it. Curious why thousands of outdoor pros swear by it? Which feature would save your day? The pan head, the Arca mount, or the monopod mode? Comment below and tell us where you'd take it next. Stock is running low, and the buzz isn't slowing down. Thousands have already upgraded their field setups with the Vortex Mountain Pass Tripod, and the difference shows in every frame, every hunt, every horizon. Don't wait to feel that rock-steady confidence yourself. Click now to grab yours and unlock a secret feature most owners miss. One that makes your setup faster, lighter, and effortlessly stable. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your next adventure today.